Now we're going to remove the lock for the old machine from this one. That mechanical lock, we're going to install it on the new one because we need this one. So again, the same process. Remove this cover to get to the lock. You got 2 screws, one to the bottom, and might need a key. The key usually is inside the machine, like right here or there. And sometimes we just remove the lock in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, the cover's off. It doesn't have that same mechanism as the new one or the Kabama, so no need to swap this plate, I guess. So the whole thing's gonna go and install on the new machine. So that's good, no extra work. So to remove this cover or this lock, you first remove this cover by removing these 2 screws. Make sure you save all the hardware because we're gonna need all this to put it on the new machine. So just pull this cover back, nothing on the back. Okay, from here now we need to remove the spindle. We need to remove this spindle, and to do that you need to pull this lock or pin, this right here, this pin, and that's what holds the spindle with the whole mechanism. So let me get pliers. Let's see if I can remove it with this. Not gonna need bigger. Needle nose pliers don't work. Okay, let's try these. There it is. That's the pin right here. That right there. And usually has letters here: VU, RH, LH, VD. Oops, sorry. VU, RH, LH, VD. That lock was on VD. So that's where I want to put it on the new lock, on the new machine. Spin it until it gets to that VD, and then you put that pin. You put that pin again, like this, and then tap it all the way in to lock it. But right now we need it off. So to remove the spindle, it's like a screw. You spin it to the left, counterclockwise, to remove it, but hold this so it doesn't spin. So you hold this with your thumb, and then on the other side spin this spindle out. This one right here, you have to spin it to counterclockwise to the left, and keep spinning it until it comes out. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put my phone down because I need to hold my hands. And this is how you pull it out. You just keep spinning, because like a screw, it has threads on it. I don't know, you can see it if it focus there. So it's just like a screw. That was like this. So that slot right here, that cut, that's where the pin, the locking pin, goes. Alright, let's focus. Yeah, hard to focus. Anyways, that's how it goes. Now that you remove that, now all you have to do is just remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this whole thing comes out. Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put my phone down. Now that you remove the 4 screws, this is loose. You can just pull this whole thing out. See? Same thing. Same concept. This goes inside that slot right here. But leave that. So you're gonna grab the other machine. I left that on the old new machine actually. I left the same thing. And that's how you're gonna just hook it up to that tab. You hook it up and then insert the screws. I mean, to line it up to the holes, put the screws on. That's it. On the other side, all you have to do is just, you're gonna use this ring and it holds by 2 screws. Again, I like to use the same screws to install it in the new machine, so make sure you save all the hardware and screws. When you put it on the new one, these lines have to be on top. That's the opening index, changing index. So that's it. I have to put it on the new one just like this. It's just 2 screws, and do everything in reverse to install it. All right. So that's it. And it's a hardwire. And that's how you remove a mechanical lock. And to install it again, like I said, just do the opposite way. Just go in reverse.